Now, I use Social Post Wizard every day for creating my social posts themselves and for creating images. I use the imaging a lot. I make a lot of Pixar style and photorealistic images for my posts, and I customize them as you'll see in some of the other videos. But I wanted to create this video just to show you that Social Post Wizard does more than that. You can look on the screen when you log in and see that there's lots of different things that it will ask you if you'd like it to help you do. But what if you really don't even know where to start? And that's what I was thinking of today. So let's just start out with asking it for some ideas. And as a reminder, for those that you don't know, I use WhisperFlow, which the link is in the YouTube comments or the YouTube description, because I just don't type fast. So you can see here what I've asked. What I've said is, I really don't know where to start. I want to build up my social media presence and I need some ideas. Can you help me out? And a really cool thing to ask any LLM, any GPT, anything that you're working on is ask me any questions you might have. So let's see what it says. And as all good GPTs, it always starts out by patting you on the back and telling you how wonderful you are. And here is a good area for you to think about, and that is, who are you? What is your brand? What is your style? What things do you do? Where do you hang out at? These are things that are really important to train your GPT so that when it's building these posts and the information for you, that it's customized for you. I do have some GPTs that you can see that build what I call a brand dossier or a brand voice, and look for those in, I'll try to link those into this video as well, or contact me, because then you can just come in here and click this plus button and add it. But for this scenario, I'm just going to answer the questions here. And the way that I normally do that is I just do the number. So I go number one, I answer it. Number two, I answer it, etc. So what I did was I just started talking to it, and I did stop in the middle of it and then restarted so that the numbers didn't work really in sequence in here. But basically I said, I'm a small business owner. I just want to have people learn about my business. I want people to follow me who are interested in learning about being educated with things I can teach them from my years of experience. Number three, because I primarily communicate with other business owners, definitely LinkedIn is a focus, but Facebook as well. The other platforms, I'm not sure if they're as useful for a business owner. And number four, the least painful thing for me is to create captions or short posts with high graphics. So it comes back and says, great, here's the breakdown of your situation, talks about who I am, the big mind shift when you're not posting to market, you're posting to teach in public. So think of your content as, if I were mentoring another business owner for 5 minutes, what would I tell them? So what Social Post Wizard is doing here is teaching me how to build posts and how to create a long-running content filled with a theme based around who I am as an individual. Try it out. See how it works for you.